Good morning, folks. So this is Gerald's work. It's all been done yesterday. Look at that. I think you missed a spot there. You missed a spot. You missed those steps.
No, that's part of breaking each
Oh, is
side.
it? Okay, have a lovely day. Got some flowers now. It's all out. Some flowers there. We're gonna check this out in another week. See if we're gonna get lots of flowers. Okay. So here, the barrels, it's got plants in it now. Looking good. The rockery is looking good as well. Full of colors now. Here. Let's find out in another week. We'll do some more updates. We're gonna keep on updates for more flowers. It's all out.